Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today's video is all about a conversion that we've carried out to a Nissan Navara NP300. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button. And remember, guys, we've got the massive 10K subscriber giveaway competition live on our channel already. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 disc edition, as well as a controller, as well as an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier that you guys can actually upgrade the sound in your vehicle with. But let's get on with today's video. Full conversion of this whole Nissan Navara NP300 has all been done completely in-house. Today's video, I'm walking you around every single part of the install that we've done, going through exactly how we've achieved it and also what parts we've changed. Starting off now, so we've got the front grille here, which used to be a chrome Nissan badge in the middle, plus obviously chrome in other areas as well. So that's all been changed over to the new mesh style grille. And one thing we've also done is actually retain something from the vehicle. So the vehicle came into us, it's a 2017 model, so it had the bird's eye 360 view camera system, that's side and front and back camera system, that's all been retained. What we've actually done is relocated the original camera into the new grille, which looks really, really smart. It gives it a far wider stance as well on the vehicle. The car, obviously, as you know, if you're looking into this video, looking to have this done, car probably has loads of elements of chrome on it, whether it's a white spec or black, whatever color you've got, there's probably loads of chrome on the vehicle. Obviously, this is a full chrome delete. It looks absolutely sublime, as you can see in today's video. But there's loads of parts like these fog light surrounds, the mirrors, the door handles, the roof bars, loads of stuff was actually in chrome. So that's all been changed over to black, which looks really, really nice and smart on this particular spec. So we've also done the wide arch kit as well, which is quite an important part of this look and feel part of the car. So the actual wide arch kit here allows for the Denali wheels to sit in there really nicely. So link for the Denali wheels will be in the description below. But a really nice spec system, and you've also got the all-terrain tyres on there, which gives it far more presence on the vehicle. Also, these strips here, these have actually been wrapped. So some elements on the car have been wrapped, some elements have actually been sprayed. So door handles are being sprayed, obviously, because as you're touching the vehicle as more and more on handles, it's important that that area was actually sprayed. However, these elements don't really get touched that often, so they're fine to be wrapped. The roof rails have also been off. That's basically involves dropping headlining, taking them off, spraying them professionally, plus then also adding in the Lazer Lamp roof bar. Basically, this light bar is absolutely phenomenal. If you haven't seen it already, the link for the Lazer Lamp's website is in the description below. Lazer Lamps do a full range of different kits. However, there'll be a full separate video on this Lazer Lamp install because it is incredible the difference it gets. And just driving the vehicle with a Lazer Lamp on the vehicle, you'll probably never want to drive a car at night without one. It is incredible the difference. But there'll be a full separate video on that, guys, so make sure you stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button because there's loads of awesome content on its way. We post a new video every single day on YouTube, so make sure you go check that out. Obviously, the wheel arch kit, obviously with it having tanks on either side, obviously to fill up, what's really nice is you can actually open on both sides, and this actually forms part of the wheel arch extension kit. This is the AdBlue side, and then we've got fuel on the other side. We've also debadged the back of the vehicle, and also we've got the Nissan tow bar on the vehicle, plus we've actually sprayed the bumper as well into black, so it's a full blackout conversion. It looks incredible, plus we've also got that light bar which works seamlessly well, but it has such a presence now on the road. So all this sort of kit can be done in-house. If you are interested in something like this, we do need to see the original vehicle in person with you, go through everything step by step, sit down with you and actually have a consultation, go through exactly how you want the vehicle spec'd and actually design. We can also do obviously all the audio stuff that you've seen on our YouTube channel, but this is something new to our channel that we can obviously showcase a little bit more and a nicer way of showing you guys. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, but thank you very much. See you soon.